looking and good. How you doing? I'm Steve Cook from Coastal Wood Design, spending the day down here at Case Woodworking doing some demonstrations, showing some people how to turn a few different projects and different things. And I got a lot of questions about my little roux spoon here or spatula, and I'm going to show you how we make that. Pretty quick, pretty easy, super handy in the kitchen. You can make that out of a nice piece of flat lumber, 3/4 of an inch wide, 3/4 of an inch thick, 2 inches wide, 14 inches long. And we're just going to round this out. Move our tool rest a little bit. And you can make this with whatever design or handle length you want. While that's still nice and fat, we have a little extra material. I'm going to take my spindle gouge, put a little bit of decoration down here. Back up here and work our way towards shaping the rest of this. Make the handle fat, thin, whatever you like. A little detail on the top. At this point, I would sand this while it's on the lathe and get it ready to go. And then after that, I'm going to take this over to the bandsaw and nip off my little end right there. And we're going to take and cut this off like so. And then we'll take and trim a little angle on here so that it doesn't sit flat in your pot. Sand that up once I have it off. A little sander, and then you have your roux spoon. I finished that with the Steve Cook tung oil finish, and makes a great spatula cooking utensil. Enjoy.